Hi everyone, what's up? It's Joshua here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're brewing the most delicious batch brew coffee using the Moccamaster Classic. Moccamaster have an enduring reputation in producing coffee machines that are really well built, easy to use, and make consistently great coffee for everyone. The Moccamaster Classic is one of the most popular models with a 1.25 litre capacity, which translates to around 10 cups of brewed coffee, and it will do this in under 6 minutes. It comes standard in the black version, but there are a total of 15 different colours you can choose from. Included are a glass carafe and a 100 pack of paper filters. At its core, the Moccamaster uses a copper heating element to achieve a very stable range of water temperature ideal for brewing coffee, between 92 and 96 degrees Celsius. So let's get brewing using the Moccamaster Classic. The method I'll be using today has been adopted to the Moccamaster from other styles of brewing coffee to achieve the tastiest cup. And I'll be brewing a full capacity of the Moccamaster, but the same rules also apply if you're only brewing a half batch or less. And I recommend sticking to a brew ratio of 1 to 16.5. So for a 1.25 litres of water, I'll be using 75 grams of beans, and I'm grinding them to a medium coarse grind. In using the Baratza Encore grinder, I've got it set to 25. And it's important to get the grind setting just right, as this does dictate the speed at which the water will percolate through your ground coffee. Too fine and your filter basket may clog and overfill with water. But too coarse a grind and your water may run too fast, and with a decreased contact time of water, your brew is likely to be weak. And once you've ground your coffee, insert a size 4 paper filter into the brew basket. By folding the two perforated sides in, it will fit perfectly into the basket. Now open up the basket's flow rate and sit it over the glass vessel. And by pouring around 250 ml of prepared hot water, you rinse the filter and heat up all the brewing components. Once that's done, remove the rinse water and fill up the back water tank to just below the 10 cup mark, which is 1.25 litres of water. Place your grinds into the basket and shut off the flow control of the basket, and this will prepare our pre-infusion stage. Turn on the Moccamaster and just wait for the water to just cover the grinds before turning the Moccamaster back off and waiting 30 seconds. During this time, just use the back of a spoon to ensure all the grinds are fully submerged and there's no coffee climbing up the sides of your basket. Then turn the Moccamaster back on, and with the water begins running again, open the basket's flow control to half open. If you have the grind setting correct, you're now able to let the Moccamaster brew away automatically. But if it looks like it's about to overflow at any stage, just open up the brew basket to increase the flow out. And this is something I usually do closer to the end of the brew also, so there's not too long a drawdown waiting for those last drips. And once it's complete and stopped dripping, the Moccamaster will turn off automatically, and there is a heating plate that will stay on for 40 minutes to keep your brew nice and warm. You can control the heat of this plate to either high or low, but my preference is to drink the coffee as it cools, so I don't use the heating plate at all. And the mixing lid to the decanter makes sure the whole brew is ready to drink straight away. And I'll drink my coffee black, but you can always add a dash of your favourite milk too if you enjoy it that way. Now in cleaning the Moccamaster, make sure you rinse out the brew basket and clean the decanter after each use, and dry it before placing it all back together. And after 100 brews or a complete box of paper filters, you'll want to descale the Moccamaster to ensure you get the best performance and quality brews for years to come. And that's the Moccamaster Classic for you. It's a great choice for home, office, or a cafe. It will brew 1 to 10 cups of coffee efficiently and make sure it's delicious. It's a thing of style, and it sets a high bar for automated brewing. But if you have any questions on the Moccamaster Classic, then throw them in the comments below. We'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you can keep notified when we bring out videos just like this every week. If you've enjoyed the video, hit like, and we'll see you next time.